In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Gmail password without phone number or recovery email. This process works best if you're already signed into your Google account or you know your current password. You won't need a phone number or a recovery email to complete the change. We'll do everything directly from your account settings. Start by opening a browser and going to myaccount.google.com. Make sure you're on the correct account if you manage more than one. If Google asks you to sign in again, simply use your current password. This is a standard security check and doesn't require a phone or recovery email. Once you're on the Google account homepage, look for the security section. You'll usually see it in the left sidebar on desktop or under the menu on mobile. In security, find the password option. Sometimes it's labeled just password, and other times you'll see it referred to as Google password. Click it to proceed. You may be asked one more time to confirm your current password before continuing, which is normal. Now you'll see the fields to create a new password. Type your new password carefully. Choose something strong and unique. Longer is better. And mixing letters, numbers, and symbols increases strength. Avoid using personal information or reusing a password from another site. A memorable passphrase made of several random words is a great option, and using a reputable password manager can help you generate and store it securely. Next, re-enter the same password in the confirmation field. This step ensures there are no typos. If you're on a private device, you can use the show icon to reveal what you're typing to double-check that both entries match exactly. Take a moment here. A small mismatch will prevent the change. When both fields match and meet Google's security requirements, click Change Password. You should see a confirmation that your password has been updated. Behind the scenes, Google may sign you out of some devices for your protection. That's normal. After this change, plan to sign back in on places where you use your Google account, like the Gmail app, your browser, or other email clients. If your browser offers to update the saved password, approve that so you don't accidentally use the old one later. That's it. You've changed your Gmail password directly through your Google account without using a phone number or a recovery email. For added safety, review your security settings afterward and keep your account info up to date so future changes stay smooth and secure.